Okay, guys. One more point on our flow here. It's regarding alerts, maybe vulnerability management, and those kind of things, right? I mean, as an AppSec engineer, for me, I want to be alerted. I want to know what is happening. This is one thing, right? For production monitoring, they want to see everything. But for developers, they don't want to see everything. They don't need to, right? They need to say, okay, I need to fix something in the code. Give me that. If not, I really don't care. I would say. And how do you see a nice flow, or you can talk about the product as well, how it's working. If you have an alert, if you have a finding, how does it work? Can I send a ticket to Jira? Can I send a message to Slack? Again, I don't want to message everything to Slack to the developers. I want to, okay, you have a code, this is a line to fix or something like this, or create an issue on GitHub, whatever. How you guys approach
Yeah.
this?
Right. So first of all, the real beauty of it with Kodem is that we first of all we're only going to alert the developer if the issue is relevant, right? So instead of getting 100 alerts, they're going to get like a fraction of that because we only want to the developers to actually handle stuff that's relevant. So remove all this friction of hey, come deal with this, and then the developer comes back and say, hey, we're not even using this. Why are you bothering with this feed? So first of all, we're taking all that load off. Then, because we understand what's happening in the code and we connect that, we can show the developer exactly where the issue is coming from in the code with the exact line or location of what you need to go fix. If it's a dependency import that you need to change, say, hey, this is the line where you're doing that import. This is where you need to change. If it's a base image fix or something in the Docker file, will tell you the exact line where you need to go change it. We also support integrating with Jira or other ticketing systems. So the developer can only it can if they want, if the organization works that way, they can use the platform. If they only want to use Jira and say, hey, I don't want to mess with this, we can just work with the ticketing system, and they're only going to see tickets there with the exact description. um, and another thing really neat that we're doing is we enable the developer to work with specific scopes. So when they log into the platform, they can see only the code repositories that they're in charge of and they're interested in. And then they apply this filter, which is permanent for their specific user. And then they only see the repositories that they handle and they care about. They don't have to see alerts on anything else because they don't care about that. So we are keeping developers in our mindset, right? Letting them first of all work comfortably on only things that matter, and then we try to adapt to the way that it's comfortable for them to work.
We also develop every feature that we develop it in API first mindset. So everything is customizable, and if there is an organization that want to customize their workflows and build something that is not directly like on the set of integrations that we have, everything is API-able, and you can trigger all of the actions, get all of the information, and customize it to your needs.
Okay, that's cool.
E aí, gostou desse corte? Então segue, continua, que tem muito mais.